Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
A delegation of the non-teaching staff of the SSA under the banner of the All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association and under the leadership of its president, Jennifer Synrem, had submitted a memorandum to the Minister in charge of Education, Lahkmen Rymbui, to apprise him of their demands from the state government. The content of the memorandum includes demands related to regularization of contractual staff of the SSA who are currently working under the State Education Mission Association Meghalaya, the payment of monthly salary and appraisal, the granting of benefits such as maternity and paternity leave, TA, DA, house rent allowance, reimbursement of medical charges and other compensatory allowances, the consideration of all block resource and cluster resource persons as non-teaching staff, besides other demands.
Association jangka All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association iwan minta kasi khat dari August 2000 banyak kedua ia Sir Lahkmen Rymbui Honorable Education Minister juni halor ki ban kong ning sharp ni demand mon kum kita kinong teaching staff jangka SSA ikwa eka baka sister kanika government juni kan perkhat na ingi ting dan ada ban regularize ini staff na mainstream to the regular department kata kadika number 1 ka point tinang tapde ni ongru ba ide banda kikam baro ko jangka education tekat kum kanjing ya trikam barabor nadu bakawan ka SSA hi haka ajar arlai ki 2003 2004 ina asdang may trikam din nagani bangiwan baliyu bangin kersyan education department bakan yo kanjing ikinang kamtam ikna juni bikin yo ya taka quality education kat kum ka right to education act kat kum ka national education policy 2020 te hangni ru ngi present ni memorandum ru bangin ong ba ki non teaching staff jung ka SSA ka block kum ju yo kat block mo ki BRC CRC ki block MISDO ki block accountant kom support staff ke jongi ru bikin yo ka salary manu benai mo khanang ba kiru gidan la yin long sem ke ban ya no bikin ya ka yin ka sem jong ki khanang ba ka service ru la ban ai kham ba shu ka sarkar te nang ta de ngi poi bide saka benta ba ni contractual staffing ni shi kham duna ki facilities kom ki maternity leave ru ngi mu da kham yo ki TA jongi ru ki reimbursement ru ki medical charges ru ngi yo te ba ka sarkar kan perkhat lem halor kini ki mat bangi la present ki minta kasni te nang ta de ki bon ki kam bangi trai ban collect ki PGI ki UDIs neki national programs bro khaj ro jong SSA jong education hi ba pha na ko Ministry of Education Government of India i ju penya na ko ro da ka jing trai lingkat na ngol ki SSA staff na do na ko class level hadu ka state level cluster block kom taraya district but state level te ngiru ni kwa ba yagini ki non teaching staff ki jong ngiru kum ki BRP CRC ru bakinum kan thup lang sho hakino hikai na marbun ting kakapor ka jing ki ngiran ka jing ya huri-hura ndre ngim kwa ba kata kan long yang jo tingi kwa ba so ka khad alon taru bakin segregate no yagino non teaching staff la ka job na ma non teaching staff ki kum ki BRC CRC ki jongi ki lead ban support ki ay ka monitoring field monitoring inspection ki schools ki provide on-site support ki schools nang ta ki collect ki UDIs ki PGI nang ta ki penya ki program jong ka national level na ka support limba ki WhatsApp messages ki jong ki limba ki jing let jong ki school bani inform ki school bakini ki activities ki nang ya I kat ko jing ay assurance na I sarumboy himtante yong hiba indang haban puli ban khatha ti klempat ay ka por ba yong sa page kinsa pintipat hadir ya kata ka assurance bi ai di in sapen ya ka porte iklem da ai segala ban shim shibna na ni gala ban shim rubna ni gala ban shim sisnem arsna mi ta ni tip ikwa mo ka assurance na ka sarkar at least man perkhat lem ni ba ni mo kan shim kam kam pelengkot ya kapur, hindi man penslam no.